Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Lion of Judah in 3D. Okay, this is a very old set. I think it's Australia or US, I'm not sure, but I recently got hold of somebody who was selling this stuff, so it was a sealed pack, so I ordered that. Here is the spine, and here's the back. It seems to be a region-free disc. It's a Warner Brother one. The special features, it says the Lion of Judah behind the scenes. This pack also includes a 2D version playable on your Blu-ray player. Okay, so it's got 2D and 3D versions on the same disc. Okay, it's got English 5.1 as audio and English, French and Spanish as subtitles here. Cannot 87 minutes running time. Let me open this and see what we get. Okay, so here is the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.